Hey guys, this is Brett with Lone Rock Concepts, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our Overland Water Pump Kit for the front runner water container with tap. Keep in mind this is not going to work on the Pro front runner water container. So take your cap off. So you're going to take your adapter piece or your fit kit, and you're going to take your hose, and there's a hole in the middle of the component. You're going to slide it through. The dimples are face up. You're going to put the weight on the bottom end. You're going to throw the hose in and twist on the adapter piece. Make sure you have a little bit of slack in your hose so it doesn't fall in. You're going to attach it to the pump. Make sure it's snug. So just slide right in. Push it on until the pump is snug. You're going to take your metal spigot and just twist it in lightly. Doesn't need to go in that far. Once it catches on the silicone, you're good to go. You're in action. Now when it comes to the disassembling, be mindful and put your fingers on the plastic clip that's holding the spigot, and again, just twist it out lightly. You can then leave your pump on and just twist the fit kit off. Drain any remaining water, wrap your hose around, throw it in your storage pouch. Next time you go to install your pump, it'll be a little bit easier. Thank you for your business, happy camping, and if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at info@lonerockconcepts.com.